they're very influential in this kind of impact on our kind of decisions and thinking about things. So in the long term, because humans are really, really motivated about what happens next. So we like quick rewards. We like to know an action and an outcome has a really quick connection. And the problem is when you're thinking about financial planning, that's quite a long time in the future. And humans are not very good at thinking about long-term kind of outcomes, because how we're feeling now is shaping how we think we're going to feel in the future. We can't really think about, well, I might be thinking really positive right now, but in the future things might change.
Yeah.
But because I'm not experiencing it, I don't know. And so this is how these biases kind of keep your kind of present emotional being center stage, which really influences that ability to kind of go beyond the present.